Hello everyone. Today we're going to compare wealthy affiliates SiteRubix and Weebly to help you decide which is better for building websites in 2024. Simply click the link in the description box to access both platforms. Let's dive in and explore each platform's features, advantages, and disadvantages. Let's start by looking at SiteRubix. SiteRubix is a website builder and hosting platform provided by Wealthy Affiliate. It allows you to create websites quickly and easily, with the added benefit of Wealthy Affiliate's training and community support. The platform offers hosting with free SSL certificates and fast page load times. To sign up for SiteRubix, you'll need to become a member of Wealthy Affiliate. To create an account, you need to click on the top right option saying Sign In. Now, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. SiteRubix offers a free subdomain or the option to use a custom domain if you have one. Enter your preferred domain name to check its availability. In terms of pricing, SiteRubix includes a free starter plan, a premium plan for $49 per month, and a premium plus plan for $99 per month. The yearly plans are also provided. On the other hand, Weebly is another popular website builder that provides an easy-to-use platform for building websites. It offers drag-and-drop functionality, making it simple to create professional-looking sites without coding. Weebly also provides free and paid plans, giving you flexibility in choosing the right plan for your needs. In terms of pricing, Weebly provides a free basic plan for those on a budget, while the personal plan costs $10 per month. The professional plan is priced at $12 per month, and the performance plan is available for $26 per month. Yearly plans are also available. Overall, both SiteRubix and Weebly offer user-friendly options for building websites. SiteRubix is great for beginners who want a supportive community and easy tools. Weebly is a good choice for users who prefer drag-and-drop website building and need a variety of plans to choose from. Remember, you can try out both platforms using the links in the description below. Sign up for free today and start building your website. Thanks for watching.